1 year ago, Metro Structural and Bedlam Foundation joined forces with Groundworks to become Groundworks Oklahoma. This is their story.
So the limitations and obstacles we had as Bedlam before joining Groundworks was we were just a small family-owned organization.
Some of the obstacles Metro had was just growth. We did not have the ability to buy new equipment.
We made everything in-house. So a lot of our jobs, we had to wait on materials. With Groundworks, it's always on hand because of the supply chain.
1 year ago, I could not imagine that we are where we're at right now. It's night and day difference, and it's all for the better.
The investments Groundworks made has been phenomenal compared to what we had. Now we have 9 box trucks, 3 new excavators, we got 4 new trailers, we got a skid steer.
As far as support, anytime that we need something, it's almost immediate.
Groundworks has invested so much in us. We're so thankful. We have the tools we need. We have a building now. It's a whole new world for us.
On merge with Metro, we had 21 employees. A year later, we have over 50 employees.
The team has gone from having 2 CFIs to 15 now.
The opportunity for growth is there, and it's happened with me and then almost everyone that came from it.
Including myself, I've seen 12 promotions just within this branch. It's a reflection of the support and the tribe support that we have.
The sales are off the charts compared to what we were before the merge.
At Bedlam, in October 2023 was our largest month of sales, which was $320,000. Now as Groundworks, October 2024, we did our largest month, which was $1 million. That right there shows you the substantial growth and the excitement that we have going into 2025.
There have been opportunities offered to people that they would have not received otherwise, and that's been truly amazing for them.
The incentives that we have on our production have been life-changing for a lot of guys, specifically something like the PPJ for the production team.
A lot of more financial freedom. Got a new car, it's actually a Cadillac. I did get my own place. It's been really good for me.
I have a 2025 Jeep, and that is because of this place. I haven't just benefited from this company. This company has showed me what true company should be like in the world.
When they said they were going to take Tulsa by storm, they weren't kidding.
The growth has just started and the opportunities are just getting going.
If you thought 2024 was fun, 2025 is going to blow that out of the water.